Okay, ladies, so what are we doing today?
What are we doing?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're cutting off my locks. 5 years of locks. Yep.
Okay, you tell it to them. Okay, so my new mommy friend, she wants to cut her locks, and she's giving me the honors of doing so. I don't know why, but she wanted to. So,
It's all trust.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So she is a new mommy, and this one is disturbing the peace. Look at her. Look at her. Say hi to Irican. Put her up a little bit.
Okay, bye-bye.
So she is entrusting me to cut her locks that she has been growing for 5 years. I don't know why, but I guess she wants a change. This kind of reminds me. She wants a new start. That's good because I did so too. I actually did my big chop after I had Aaliyah. So for this fun fact, I actually cut my hair because I wanted to make a better example by being natural with my girls, because my oldest, being the inquisitive little girl that she was like, "Mommy, why is your hair curly and it looks straight and my hair is coily and kinky?" And I was like, okay, that's the last straw. So I did cut mine, and I've been natural ever since. I did cut my hair again though, because that's a whole different story.
Kinky and coily.
Well, it's the different textures.
I know. Well, what you know about it? That's your opinion.
Listen, she's a very inquisitive child, so she's very outspoken, just like her mama. So let's get to snipping. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section off.
I separated them for you as best as I could.
I can see that song. Your hair is pretty. Why are you cutting it? I was for it until now that I'm seeing your
Up here is pretty, but down here, so no. No. We need a restart.
Need a restart?
We need to come again.
There's nothing wrong with starting over. So I'm for it. I always cut my hair all the time, so there's nothing wrong with it.
This is second time.
Second time you're doing a big chop? So you just want me to cut at the end of your hair, just basically the locks?
Yep.
Okay. Don't do that!
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready. Ready? Ready?
Go.
Sure?
Go.
I can't go back. I started.
My hair.
Are you grating it now?
Oh my gosh.
Are you sure? Well, we can't go back.
Cut it.
We can't go back. I already cut
The front.
Look. That's your hair. Don't hate me after this.
Top.
No, I'm just saying. See, and I cut it close where you can detangle and take the thing out. See? Oh my god, I feel it now. Okay. This is the last 5.
Okay, Americans.
I hope I don't get no hair on her.
Come, drink it, Baba.
Why is this man screaming?
That's really.
It's the last 2.
Oh my god.
Are you ready?
Go on.
The last 1. You want more off? Oh, we see you want more.
You said hola.
Oh, I'm just like, wait. Nah. I didn't sign up for that part.
I'm a real bubble.
How she look? What do you think?
Ragamuffin.
What do you think?
Ragamuffin.
So that's it.
Do you still love me?
A few moments later.
How do you feel? It's all gone.
I feel bald.
She did it. Yes.
I feel bald.
She did it. Look, this is what her hair looks like now.
Let's wait till the length kicks in.
I know. Hold on.
I'm glad it's cut. So.
Yeah. Okay. So I gave her a wash and a twist. And if you want to wear it twisted out, you can do that too. She got some chunky twists, but they're cute though. She said she looked like a kid.
Thank you, Ty.
You're welcome. I hope I did okay. And of course, you'll see the video when I post it, of course. But yeah, thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
All right, so that's the end of the video, guys. Y'all ain't gonna see me because I don't look right. So
Quarantine life.
all right, so I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Bye.